kids! Do you know the flying creature with a special beak crest? This is Tropiognathus, a strong flying reptile from long ago. It had a long beak with a special crest that helped it fly better. It was a skilled hunter that caught fish from the ocean. It used powerful wings and wind currents to travel far. Fun fact: Tropiognathus was one of the largest flying reptiles of its time. Which flying creature do you want to see next? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, or you might miss the dino family.